So, Pedros, today we're running a service call on a salsa bar. It is not cooling properly. So when we got there, we checked, it was not running at all. First thing you gotta do, check power. As you can see, 0 volts. Alright, let's check the other outlet. The main source, you could say, 0 power. Let's go to the breaker, let's see what's going on. The breaker was tripped. So that means something is going on. Something is causing it to trip. Most likely, the first giveaway is normally the compressor. So we kick it on, you can hear the fan blowing. We're letting it do its thing. We're just observing, watching, see what happens. And next thing you know, everything shuts off again. So now we know, let's start diagnosing, see what's going on. So compressor. Let's check that, let's see what's going on there. I get in the back, and you can see the starter kit. We're just gonna diagnose the compressor. We had to put a new starter kit, but first we're trying to check if the compressor is even good. So we gotta remove the starter kit. As you can see, it's kind of a tight spot. Just remember how the wiring goes. It's very important. Pretty much the way you check the compressor is there's 3 prongs. There's a comment, start, and run. You can check the comment to the run. It's going to give you an ohm, and then you check the comment to the start. It's also going to give you another ohm. So when you check start and run, it's going to give you a number. So it's going to be 7.5 here for an example. Comment and run and comment and start should add up to that number. Every compressor is different, so just check. And if it's not ohming the same number, then that's how you know you have an issue with the compressor. As you can see, that thing literally broke off. You can see burn marks. It was another indication that the compressor was overamping. At that point, it was already fucking falling apart in pieces. So I just took out the whole thing. We could always replace the start capacitor. It's no biggie. So right now, I'm checking comment and start. And I got no continuity at all. And then check comment to run. Same thing. So that's how we know the compressor is bad. Another way you could test is leaking a little bit of refrigerant and see what color it is. When he did it, you could see it's like brown, like oil from a car. No good. And we just cut out the main power source just in case someone else come back and plugs it in, and that's it. Follow for more.